Mutex and Semaphore sound similar, right? Let's untangle it in 60 seconds. Mutex stands for mutual exclusion. Only one thread can log and access the resource at a given time. Think of it as a key to a room. Only one holding the key can enter the room. On the other hand, Semaphore is a signaling mechanism. It allows multiple threads to access resources depending on the count. Imagine a parking lot with a limited slots. Multiple cars can enter but only up to the limit. Mutex is always binary, that is logged or unlocked, whereas Semaphore can be counting 0, 1, 2 and so on. So remember, Mutex means one key or one user, and Semaphore multiple slots, controlled access. Follow for more operating system concepts simplified in 60 seconds. Thank you.